Welcome to the Grand Fruit Olympics, where fruits show their superpowers. First up, the speedy strawberry sprint. Strawberries boost your energy. Next, witness the banana boat rowing. Bananas are great for muscle health. The apple archery event is next. Apples improve your eye health. Watch the grape gymnastics. Grapes are heart healthy and delicious. The orange obstacle course challenges and strengthens the immune system. The watermelon weightlifting shows how hydration is key to strength. In pineapple pole vault, learn how pineapples support digestion. The kiwi kayak race is a journey through vitamins that support skin health. The avocado aerials, where avocados show the power of healthy fats. The lemon long jump demonstrates the zest for life and energy lemons bring. The mango marathon, a test of endurance, shows the stamina mangoes provide. The berry boxing match, where berries demonstrate their antioxidant power. The grand finale brings all fruits together, celebrating their unique strengths. Remember, every fruit has its superpower, just like you. Let's choose health.